guys, so welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a beautiful day of Pennsylvania. So pretty much, shout out to Stratman for that intro. But anyways, pretty much we're gonna do three things together today. We're gonna talk about my car. That's gonna be the last thing. I'm going from back to forward, which is kind of backwards. We're gonna talk about my car. 2, we're gonna go do an oil change. And 3, we're gonna deliver something. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for kind of like a daily vlog kind of thing. You see what I'm saying? So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and your family. What do you think about it? Yeah, it look good, right? They look huge too, right?
Yes, they are massive. How's the stopping power?
Oh my God, this is insane. Like, it's really insane.
Wow, did it take long?
Let's say it took us about like 2-3 hours maybe. Yeah, that's not bad, yeah. Well, we kind of test fitted it. We had to make sure it was gonna fit first before we even proceeded with both of them. So we test fitted it Friday night, remember? Yeah. And it worked, and then Saturday we finished it up. It was Alright guys, so we picked up some oil and filter, and now we're gonna do the next thing, which, like I said, we did the FedEx stuff, we delivered the item, and now we picked up oil. You're gonna change the oil. After the oil, we're gonna talk about the new thing I did to the car that makes the car really amazing, and we're gonna go ahead and talk about it too. Alright guys, so this is the last end of the video. We did the oil change, we dropped both of the packages off and got gas and everything. And today's video, I just wanted to talk about these Brembo brakes. Like, these things are amazing. Like, I'll tell you one thing: if you have a car and it's turbo, even if it's not turbo, and you think doing brakes is stupid, no, it's not. This is definitely a must that you must want to do to a car if you're gonna do any kind of modifications to it, or if you're gonna be driving it daily. Like, going bigger brakes definitely helps with car stopping power and everything. So I would highly suggest you go with these brakes, or swap your regular ST brakes for these Brembo brakes. I mean, the stopping power is different. It drives way safer. When you're stopping, you feel way safer. I definitely want to track these brakes and see what the difference is compared to the street. And I definitely want to take it on the track and see what it'll be like driving a car with Brembo brakes. You know, this is my first ever Brembo brakes upgrade I've ever done to this car. I mean, this car is definitely coming together. The next video, we're gonna be upgrading the shifter. You know, make it even really short, even though it's already short. As you can see, we're gonna make it really short, shorter than it is right now. So that's what the next video is gonna be on. But for now, I just wanted to let you guys know that definitely, if you have not done the RS brakes, you definitely want to do it. Over the weekend, somebody hit the back of my car, so this is gonna get fixed soon. And that we're gonna do a lot of things to the car, but for now we're taking it little by little, because I want to go big turbo so bad, but I'm not trying to rush through it to get big turbo or anything like this. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Like, help me grow the channel, man. Like, I see you guys are definitely subscribing and liking and sharing the video. I mean, that's good. Getting 300 views makes me feel really good. Like, it's nothing too crazy, but you know what I mean? Like, that's how the grind started. If I keep doing this and you guys keep loving and sharing it, I'm gonna want to do more and more for you guys. So for now, we do a little piece by piece, you know. So we've done the front, we're gonna do rears, we're gonna upgrade the rears. And if you are wondering what kind of rotors these are the R1 concept rotors. I love them, man. Like, it makes the car look so freaking good. Like, you should upgrade if you haven't upgraded to these rotors. And also, like I said, the calipers feel really great. Everything about this car feels really great now, just by upgrading the calipers. The next thing I'm planning on doing is lowering it, throwing big turbo on it, and then start building the other motor, you know what I'm saying? And once that's done, we're going to swap that back in here, and then we're going to go for appearance look and make sure the car looks really good and clean for, like, car show kind of good looking car, you know what I mean? And then we're gonna go ahead and get the next project car, which I will definitely tell you guys eventually once I start building the unmotored on what the next project car is going to be. So if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends and your family, and I'll catch you guys later.